Alright, welcome to Spool School. And so it begins. Yeah, it's a 6.2 LT. That's a 10L90. And that's a sleeper auto. Oh, and a brand new engine stand. So, a little bit of music. Yeah, that's music to my ears. Anyway, just thought I'd shoot this, yeah, nice engine stand. So I gotta take that apart. I gotta separate the tranny from the engine so I can put it in the, that's our shop for now. We got all this property here. We're gonna build a big shop, but for now, we got that. It's actually pretty nice. Gets us out of the sunshine. It's hot here in Arizona. Anyway, sorry about the shaky camera. A little too much to drink last night. Anyway, yeah, 10L90, 6.2 liter LT, brand new engine stand. So I'm gonna get to work. You guys have a good day. Be blessed.